Did you just put garlic in your honey mustard?
I like a little garlic in.
Oh, this is a little garlic, Ali. This is a no, guys. This is a little garlic. Okay, this right here is a little garlic.
Just a little.
Okay.
A little garlic.
My friends, you are watching How to Foodie Nation, and today is about honey mustard. So let's get mixing. So honey mustard.
Yes.
Simple.
Very simple.
Basically, we're gonna just add the ingredients to the bowl.
Yep.
The end.
And whisk it. But it's the way that you whisk it.
Oh, excuse me. There's a technique.
Yes, you have to put the vibe.
Oh, we've got to finesse it.
When it is you're making things, you have to have a nice little spirit, a nice little energy.
Okay, sorry.
Don't come home from work frustrated and then try to make nothing.
No, we're channeling the positive vibes this time, guys. Positive honey mustard. Let's go.
Yes, so we have mustard, of course, which is the base of the sauce. Do you like honey mustard in general?
Listen, who doesn't like honey mustard? We've done several sides on how to right now. It's like several condiments. And I think honey mustard is one we were missing and we needed. You can't have chicken tenders without honey mustard.
I agree.
Come on.
I absolutely agree.
No, you need it. You need it. Chicken tenders, fries, nuggets, hot dog, bacon chop, anything. Honey mustard is good.
I agree.
Did you just put garlic in your honey mustard?
I like a little garlic in.
Oh, this is a little garlic, Ali. This is a no, guys. This is a little garlic. Okay, this right here is a little garlic.
Just a little.
Okay.
A little garlic.
Okay,
and
my
little
friend.
Mayo.
Okay, my friend. The mayo I'm with you for. No problem.
Right. This is a little paprika. A little salt.
Must season.
Yes, of course.
Even for our condiments.
Flavor all the way.
For
Season
sure.
everything. So a little salt, black pepper.
I want to add this jar. It's the honey.
All right, so I will start mixing and you will pour in the honey there.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Arlene, I want to be really honest, right? Now I know we're making a really nice condiment and we're super excited about it, but what I noticed was that there's nothing on the counter for us to taste this honey mustard with.
That is true. That is my fault.
So
I don't know why I think I could just come today and just make a sauce and leave.
Why? Why would you do this to me, my friend? Why?
So here's what we'll do.
Okay.
When I come back, you let me know in advance what you want. Be creative, eh? Choose wisely. What it is you want to go with this honey mustard.
Okay. First of all, you're coming back next week, or do I have time to think about this? Have time?
You have time.
Okay. Guys, I want you to help me. Of course, you know I need your help. Tell me, what should we have Arlene do that will go well with this honey mustard? Since we can't taste it right now, we're going to have to taste it in the future. So we need a good recipe. Get creative, guys, because she set the bar. She said put it up there, so we shooting for up there.
Well, just for my sake, let's do something in the party food.
Okay.
line.
Party food, honey mustard. Don't forget.
2 bites, not one.
No, not one bite like the deviled egg. Disaster, Ali. No.
I couldn't talk for a little bit.
It's
so yeah,
okay.
this is, you know.
This is it.
This is the easiest recipe we've done.
For sure, but tell us about storing it.
Refrigerate.
Okay, and then like a glass jar. How long
Yeah.
do you think it will last?
Well, for me, in my storage, I use like a bottle with a little nozzle on top, so I
Okay,
can,
convenient.
you know, pour over my salad, or if I do in a sandwich or something like that, so
Yeah.
it's manageable.
Okay.
Yep.
How
And
long do
that's
you think? Like a week or 2 weeks? Forever?
Not
I don't know if it's everlasting.
not forever, not forever. A couple of weeks. This will last for a couple of weeks.
Okay,
I
good.
mean, you may consume it all. But I always tell people, you know, if this is something that you use regularly, make
Yeah.
a lot. If it's
Yeah.
something that you use occasionally on some things, then make a little.
Okay. So you have a couple weeks to come back here and give me something to eat with this honey mustard.
To dip into this honey
Thank
mustard.
you very much.
No problem.
I
We'll work
mean,
it out.
quick, fast,
I
and a
always
hurry,
come.
guys.
I always come.
I know, and we love having you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Of course, don't forget, we have the challenge with Arlene, honey mustard style. Let us know. And of course, be sure to like, comment, share this video with all your friends. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.